How to back up your photos and videos to Google Drive automatically. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to back up your photos and videos to Google Drive automatically, first of all go to Google Photos. Then tap on your profile which is on the top right. From there you will see this option Backup is off. You can directly click on it or tap on the Photos settings. Once you tap on it, click on the first option Backup. Then after, toggle the option on. After that, choose the Gmail account in which you want to back up the photos to Google Drive. After that, scroll down and then change the settings, such as change the backup quality from original quality to storage saver. It will store more a slightly reduced quality, such as compressed to 16 MB, high definition, and much more. You can even set up mobile data usage or daily limit for backup. Eventually, you can also set up backup device folders and backup load folders as well. So this is how you can back up your photos and videos to Google Drive automatically. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.